Hi kids. I call everybody kids. I don't know why. That's a thing that I do. Anyways, hi. My name's Lex, if you are new here. I am getting ready to go to work. The theme is neons, so I think I have an idea of what I want to do. I just want to do like an easy neon kind of look. So, I mean, bear with me while I do this, because I just have a vague idea. But I also want to chit-chat to you while I get ready. Jesus. Oh, what's happening? Oh, I have a snap from Chloe. This is just my CC cream. I don't want to bother putting actual concealer on, so I'm gonna put this under my eyes also. Guys, you guys know I love this CC cream from It Cosmetics. Like, it's just so easy to just put it on and move on with your life. And put it on as concealer. For every day, you're trying to like get out the door. I don't want to put concealer on. Just put this on under your eyes. Okay, cool beans. I have that. Eyebrows. I need eyebrows. When I was watching back after I edited my like update video, I realized that I didn't say anything about Dean. So I don't want anybody to be concerned. Dean and I are fine. I was watching, I edited the whole video and I watched it. So this is how I do it. I edit the video, I watch it, and to make sure that it's like right and that I didn't miss anything or something, whatever. And then I export and upload it. So I was watching it back and I was like, oh no, I didn't mention Dean at all in this video. I was like, somebody's gonna say something, which none of you did. So, I mean, I appreciate you. But no, Dean and I are fine. So I watched it back and I was like, I can't believe I didn't even mention Dean once. What an idiot. But no, we're fine. Everything's fine. Okay, I have eyebrows. Prime my eyes with my Pro Prime. I'm gonna try and pre-film some stuff. Try being the keyword here. So I can have some stuff like ready to upload and all that for that transitional period from when we move. We're moving to, it's like, I want to say maybe 20 minutes from here, maybe from where we are now, like the new house. So, I mean, it's not like we're going far, but as I said in my update video, I hate moving. I hate moving, so I want to be able to just get in and get settled, but still have content being uploaded, and like get my room how I want it, and get like my background how I want it or whatever. So I'm going to try and have stuff so that when we are moving, I have stuff that's still being uploaded, but I can't guarantee anything. So just, again, bear with me during that time. I think like the very beginning of August is when we're gonna move. So just bear with me, please. Okay, here's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take the orange shade from the Smashbox Cover Shot. This is the Bold palette. So I'm gonna take the orange shade, which is, wait, what? And just kind of slap that all over, I guess. So just kind of like as a base shade. So I'm just gonna pop it on my lid and in my crease and just kind of everywhere. Cool? Cool. Let me zoom you in. Hey, now you can see what's going on. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Killawatt highlighter from Fenty, and I'm going to take the orange side. This is Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. So I'm going to take the Mimosa Sunrise, wipe my brush off a little bit, and I'm going to put this on top, just on the lid. Just add some sparkle. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mommy! Mommy's here to say hi. Yeah? You got a lot to say. Wow. She's got a whole story to tell us. Anyways, Yeah, putting that just on the lid. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner too. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a pencil brush and put the first orange on the lower lash line. Like neon, I think orange is really neon. And pink, but I don't like pink. I don't like pink, I hate pink. Alright, so put the orange across here. Cool beans. Mommy's done telling us her story. Alright, so that's all I'm going to do for that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The next step I'm going to do off camera. So I am going to put, where'd it go? Oh, it's in here. I have stuff everywhere. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line. I'm going to put a yellow liner in my waterline. This is Makeup Forever M40. Curl my lashes, apply mascara, and I will be back to you. So here are the eyes done. Real simple and easy. You could probably just wear this as like an everyday summer look with like regular black liner and, you know, maybe a wing if that's your thing. It is not mine. But yeah, easy neon enough for me. So I'm going to finish off the face. I'm not going to bother contouring just because I can't be bothered today. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to skip to bronzer. I'm using my still very sad chocolate Soleil. Guys, I'm just trying to like finish it, and it's like, you know, I see that the hole in the pan is getting bigger, but it's not going fast enough. But I can't not finish this bronzer before I open a new one. So, anyways, throwing some color on here, chucking it on. I don't know why I was from the south for a second there. It's alright. I said y'alls the other day and got made fun of for it. I'm sorry. I lived in Texas for about a year. Maybe a little longer than a year. I don't know. That's all I picked up on was y'all. For my blush, I am going to use this one from Makeup Forever in the little duo. I want to say this is 214. I will have it listed down below what it actually is, but I'm pretty sure it's 214. So I'm going to pop that on. Whoo! Okie dokie. And then should I highlight with the orange too? No, that's going to be too much. That's going to be too much. I'm not going to do that. Because I'm going to put a bright lip on too, so I don't want to put too crazy of a, I put a lot of blush on. I'm going to take the highlighter in here too. This one. Which again, I'll have listed down below because the highlighter, I really don't know what it is. Alright, so just popping some highlighter on, which I don't really need because you can see how glowy I am from the CC cream. Pile it on my Cupid's bow. Oh no, I should do an orange. I have an orange, right? I have an orange. I'm gonna do an orange. Okay. For lip, I'm gonna use Kat Von D, which I know she's very, there's a fuzz up my nose or something. Oh my god, it's like tickling me. I'm going to use this Kat Von D lipstick. I know Kat Von D is very controversial. I'm sorry, I have to get this fuzz out of my nose. Okay, for the third time. I know Kat Von D is very controversial right now. So, I mean, if you don't support her, great. If you do support her, great. I have this. I'm going to use it, so. This is Halo. Oh, it's very orange. I forgot. I haven't worn this in a while. So here's the finished look. The lip looks so bright on camera. Like, it's a really bright lip to begin with, but the camera is making it extra bright. But I mean, it fits the theme for what's going on today. So this is the finished look easy neon. I mean, if you change the lip to like a nude, or even if you wanted to wear an orange lip with the eyes, definitely an easy summer like go-to look you could do. I really like how this turned out. I wasn't too sure what was gonna happen, but it turned out great. That's all that matters. That's it. I feel like I didn't chit chat a lot, but I never do. I go into chit chat, get ready with me's, intending to chit chat, and then I'm not good at the chit chatting. So I'm sorry about that. Yep, that's it. That's all I got. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. Bye.